All right, listen to this. There are different rules for driverless cars compared to actual human drivers.
Yeah, right now, Atlanta police, they say they cannot cite a driverless vehicle if it has a traffic violation. Channel 2's Michael Doudna took a ride and found out the reasons why.
Yeah, guys, we're actually in one of those Waymos right now. As you can see, it's moving, it's driving, and can do a lot of things. But if it gets into an incident, well, instead of like us getting points on your license, getting a fine, or getting a ticket, it can't. And a lot has to do with the car being driverless.
Bro, the Waymo got stuck.
So y'all know the car that's supposed to drive on its own?
You may have seen the videos. Waymo driverless cars stuck, blocking traffic, creating a headache. But these machines are not getting tickets.
So it looks like there's two sets of rules out there, one for people and the other for robots.
See, APD standard operating procedure says that they can't issue citations because the courts don't know how to handle it, because the law is set up to deal with drivers. And as you can see, this car has no driver.
And so if there's no driver, there's no one to cite.
I think the legal framework is always going to be behind technology.
Professor Ram Chalapa says driverless cars are not the only thing the law is facing challenges with, especially with the rise of AI impacting areas such as copyright and intellectual property.
I would say this is very much the beginning when it comes to the intersection of technology and law.
So until the law catches up, APD will have to follow procedure, and driverless cars will likely have a leg up on the rules of the road.
I can't believe we've reached the stage where our judicial system treats machines better than us.
Now, to be clear, these incidents are relatively rare. According to APD, they've only had about 6 incidents that they actually have a report on. And remember, they can still be civilly liable in certain accidents. We're in Atlanta, in a Waymo. I'm Michael Doudna, Channel 2 Action News.